Alright, so welcome back. In the past video we have talked about how to use nodes in order to color grade, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can use windows to make your color grading much better. So windows are in this panel, in this tab, and here you have your windows. We have talked about them a little bit, but now we're going to get in depth. So basically windows are these kind of shapes which you can choose, and they can make your whole video different. How is that? Well, I will delete everything I have done here, and now I will start re-editing this video once again, and this time I will add some new color correctors, and in this video I will change the gain a bit and the overall offset this way, and now what I want to do is I want to edit the sky. So how can I edit the sky without editing the plane? Because as you saw in previous videos, if I choose this plane, when I go here to the effects, the sky is also selected, or when I choose the sky, the plane is also selected. So how can I differentiate them? Well, I can use the windows. Let's say I can use this line, and by using this line I can simply do this kind of stuff, and this and this, and these are basically lines I'm using right now, as shown here. And what I can do is I can simply do lots of stuff that only apply here. So if I want to make the sky blue, so let's say I select this color, I can make it blue only on this side, and the plane is not affected at all actually. But as you can see, as the video is moving, there is this part which actually gets affected. So what you could do is you could go to here to frames, and you could use color corrector 2. You could simply reset node grade, and you could let me show you. It's just like with the diamonds. So let's go back to our window. Let's use this tool this time. So I will simply select everything besides the plane this way, and now I can go and change its hue, right? Now one thing I can do is that I can make it soft. So let me show you how can I do that. I change the soft from here, as you can see, and if I unclick this window off, there's almost you can hardly see it. So if I make it even softer, you can almost not see it. Now also one thing you have to know is that as the key moves, you can use these diamonds. So we are in the second we're currently in the second power window, so we could use this diamond. I can create here one diamond, and here I can add another diamond, and I can make a difference. So how can I do that? Well, I can simply change the way of this window, the way it's aligned this way, so it will move just like the diamonds are moving. As you can see, I can move it around just like with the diamonds in the edit tab. So it's not that hard actually, and I can move it this way, and now if I go back once again, you can see that this window is moving along with the video based on these keyframes, and that's a great tool to have. This way you can edit only one part, which is this one, and not make changes on the other stuff. I can now also make the soft less, make it lower. So, and now if I turn off this, you can see that there is almost no difference. I mean, it's a bit of you can see it here a little bit, but if you work really hard and you actually put in the time to make little changes to each keyframe, then you can actually see no difference. So let's create another window. This time let's create a gradient. So another thing you could do, let me go into another node. So here I can create a gradient this way. So for example, I can make everything above more. I can highlight everything above, and I can make everything else not as highlighted. It looks like the sun is coming from there and there is no sun, and it looks quite interesting. Also, I can change it however I want, and I can add some warm temperature, but I won't do it. I will add some yellow color, which indicates that there is a sun which is shining into this plane or something like that. Also, I can add another node by pressing Alt S, and now I can use this window and I can make another keyframe. I can make another window using this. So where the people are, I can simply make everything seem lighter or darker. Let's make it darker a little bit. So this way. Alright, so let's turn the highlight down a little bit. As you can see the difference there, but I can go here and add a soft, and you won't be able to tell the difference. As you can see, there's basically no difference. You cannot see it. And this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. And you can almost see no difference. And all of that is because of the windows. So the windows are basically one of the greatest tools we have. So that's pretty much with the windows. I hope you have liked this video. I hope you have learned something new out of it. And see you in the next one, where we're going to talk about tracking objects. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.